You can invite other administrators to Ramp to help with setup and testing your configuration before rolling it out to cardholders. You can do this by first navigating to the company page on the left-hand navigation bar. And from there, you'll click into Invite People in the upper right-hand corner. You'll notice that when you click into this button, you have 4 different roles to choose from. The top role is the employee, and that's generally a great fit for individual contributors. They can request their own spend and they can use their own Ramp cards, but they will not need to request spend for any other teammates. Below that, we have the manager role, and this is typically a great fit for department heads. These are individuals who may need to review their team spend, they may need to approve expenses, or request cards for other teammates. Below that, we have the administrator role. This is generally a great fit for someone who needs to be a super user. So if someone needs to invite other users, issue cards to other users, create accounting rules, or modify Ramp company settings like submission policies or approval workflows, you'll want to select admin. And lastly, we have the bookkeeper permission set. This is generally a great fit for other folks on the finance team or even third-party accountants who just need access to the activity data on the accounting page. Now we'll select administrator, and you'll notice that I can either copy and paste or type up to 20 different email addresses on this line. If you are including more than one person on this line that you'd like to invite, they will need to have the exact same profile settings below, so they would need to be in the exact same department in the exact same location. Once you select the department and location, you can press Send Invite. Any pending invites will always be reflected at the top. You can always click in to see which invites are still pending. We'll show the email address of the individual, who invited that individual, and then their role. If you'd ever like to resend an invitation, you can do so by clicking this button.